Good afternoon, Jenny. The water continues to rise along the walkway here in the Hammonds Ferry neighborhood. It's causing some people not to be able to access a section of that path. Officials placed cones here to prevent people from walking straight into the river. Homeowners in the area are keeping a watch, and this is not the only cause for concern. Parents at Paul Knox Middle School took to social media concerned about how they now, in order to avoid traffic congestion, have to pick up their children using a dirt track, and when it rains, it gets a lot of water and mud in it. Emergency management teams are keeping a watch, and the Army Corps of Engineers plan is staying the same, waiting to see if the spillway gates at Thurman Dam will need to be released.
According to everything that we've read, that they have it under control now, but you never know. You've seen horror stories of out in Texas where people just walk out the front door and the dam had busted, and next thing you know, everything's underwater. Yeah, that would be pretty scary.
And officials with North Augusta Public Safety say that no roads are closed due to flooding. We've also learned from school officials that maintenance is monitoring the condition of the track. It was closed today because of the additional rainfall. Additional gravel has been ordered, and that's expected to be applied as early as tomorrow. Brad?
Sean Cabbage Stock.